I don't know about you, but I feel like natural hair routines and regimens have gotten too complicated. Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, your weekly beauty reporter. Today's video is going to be going back to the basics. I feel like the natural hair routines and things that are being seen on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook have just complicated a natural hair routine, curly hair routine. I feel like people use those two terms interchangeably. You can have natural hair and your hair not be curly. You can have curly hair and your hair not be natural. So for me, I am natural. I have naturally curly hair, and it is natural curly hair. So I wanted to just, if you are a beginner and you're watching this video, trust me, you are in the right place, and I'm going to give you the basics without complicating things. First things first, detangle your hair before washing. Term could be called pre-poo, whatever you want to call it. This is so crucial before your wash day routine because tangles, for one, will cause your routine to take longer. Two, that means that all of your hair is not going to receive all of the good products you are putting into your hair. So you want to make sure you are detangling your hair beforehand. I will insert a video here showing you how I pre-poo or prep my hair for before shampoo. So pre-poo is shortened for pre-shampoo. So it's basically the steps that you take before shampooing your hair. The next thing is wash in sections. I know that some people can get away with not washing in sections, but let me tell you, your scalp is gonna thank you, your hair is gonna thank you, and the outcome is just gonna be 10 times better. So what I like to do is pre-poo in sections, usually 4 sections. If you have a lot more hair, do 6 sections. Then when you get into the shower or however you wash your hair, I usually go 1 section at a time. I apply the shampoo or the cleanser to my scalp directly, and then I'm massaging that into my scalp. And then once the cleanser or the shampoo is when it's being rinsed out, it'll run down the strands of my hair, cleansing the hair itself. This is how you're able to cleanse the hair without completely stripping it of its oil. Then once I'm ready to rinse it out, I will untwist the section and rinse all the goodness, all that cleanser out, and then you can just see everything in the tub. Always deep condition. You should be deep conditioning and masking. Deep conditioning you should be doing weekly. Masking, I have a whole video on this, but masking I would say at least once or twice a month. For me, these are different, but sometimes people can use them interchangeably. And the reason why you should deep condition is because it's perfect for penetrating and moisturizing your hair, keeping it soft, and it'll just make a styling that much better. And it's the one time in the week where you could just have your hair wrapped up for 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, however long it is. So along the same lines, be sure to condition your hair after you rinse out your deep conditioner. So what this is going to do is just add that extra moisturized layer. So what I like to do is rinse out my deep conditioner / mask, and then I'll go in and apply the conditioner of whatever brand I'm using, and this just allows your hair to soak up all that other goodness before you apply your leave-in conditioner system. If after all your hair is done, you're not letting your hair air dry and you are drying your hair, be sure to use a microfiber towel. They are intended to be less harsh on your hair compared to a cotton towel, because that's just going to cause more frizz, more friction, split ends. And so a microfiber towel is the right way to go. They're everywhere now. Ulta, Target, Ross, TJ Maxx, like you cannot miss it. Amazon. And I often use my mic. I don't usually dry my hair. Like I'll squeeze out all the product or all the water and then let it air dry. Be sure, I made a video a few weeks ago about what someone said about air drying your hair, and I'm going to go check that out. So that's right here. Back to what I was saying. So use a microfiber towel. It'll just be more gentle on the hair. If you do not have a microfiber towel, you can go old school, back to the basics, and use a t-shirt. I used to do this all the time back in the day. Man, I don't do it so much anymore because I do have a microfiber towel. But if you are a beginner, you do not have a microfiber towel yet, use a t-shirt. Last but not least, spend as much time as you need in the hair store, at Target, at Ross, online, reading what's in your products. So the main things that you can look for is no parabens, no sulfates, but most products that are intended for natural and curly hair have like a list of no, not included. If it does not list it, look at the product, look at the ingredients. And I know sometimes there's some words on there that you're just like, what is this? But just be sure to read what's in your products to make sure that you are not causing damage to your hair. If you're a beginner and you found this video helpful, or if you're someone who is along on your journey, be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Also, check out my hair journals. Those are really great for someone who's just getting started and you need a way to track everything that you're doing with your hair to see how your hair reacts. So that's from products, when you're using the products, how long the products are keeping your hair moisturized, and what products you don't want to use. You can also find out your hair type. This journal has everything you need. I have 2 options that you can pick from, and I'll leave all of the details to purchase those down below. Thank you again for just keeping up with me, and it was fun to go back to the basics. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button so we can continue to go on this journey together. I'm back